Hello all you beautiful pimple popping lovers out there. So obviously the reason why you've clicked on this video is to see this pimple, and I cannot believe how it squirted and popped out. I am so shocked. I cannot believe it. It was 4 hours, absolutely worth it. Anyway, so you might realize that the video is pretty much the same as the other videos just because I was filming this pimple on my live on TikTok. I'll do a little pop-up of my TikTok if you want to follow it. So I do go live every now and then, and probably actually a few times a week I do go live. And I do pimples, I do scratches, I do wounds, I do so much other stuff that I get requested by my followers. Anyway, so pretty much this is how I made this pimple on my hand. It's always the same kind of method. So this is the pimple that I actually done on my thigh, but it's the same method, the same kind of standards and all that and to build up the pimple. So yeah, pretty much just start with thousands and hundreds of layers of latex. I'm not even exaggerating. I probably did about a good like 30 or 40 layers of latex, and then setting out each one with some setting powder and until it becomes translucent. Obviously then you put your setting powder on top. So then I made a hole, and look at this cute little trick. I'm so obsessed with it. Anyway, so I put the Vaseline in the latex, and then pretty much I molded the scar wax, which is my homemade scar wax, to the exact same shape of the latex bubble on the bottom. Put it on top, made the hole, the cutout hole for where the pimple is going to kind of squirt out. And I did heaps and heaps of layers. What I'm doing now is really, really crucial when it comes to making sure that the walls of the pimple are really, really stiff and really, really kind of hard. So when you go to pop it and you obviously squeeze, you're going to lose a lot of pressure to build up from the bottom of the latex. Where you have all your Vaseline kind of surrounded in a little wall, when you squeeze it up, you need to make sure that the scar wax around it is obviously very, very thick and very, very hard, because if not, the whole thing's kind of just going to crumble in and it's going to be a huge kind of flop. It's going to be a fail. So now I'm using my favorite clotted blood, and I just put that on the top. But yeah, for this look, I cannot believe how it turned out. Just wait for it. Honestly, just wait for it. Just watch how it pops. I had the best reactions on my live. It was so good. Oh my god, just watch it. Just literally just watch for yourself. I'm just gonna stop talking, but yeah, just watch it. Just going to show. I'm just showing you guys all the angles of the pimple, of how huge it is. It's literally a volcano on my freaking hand. I was just trying to like get the viewers on the live to see it, but wait for it out. Look, it's just wanting to explode. Alrighty, this is the reveal to pop the pimple, squeeze it, just watch how it squirts out. I have never done a pimple that squirts out like this. I am so shocked, and I'm so happy that it took 4 hours to do for this pop. Look how it just squirts up. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. I have to give you guys a replay. Just rewatch it. Just watch it. So freaking cool. I am so obsessed. Anyway, yeah, so if you guys did enjoy this video, and if you were from my live and you came onto my YouTube channel to see this video, because I did say I'm going to be posting it here, then hey. Anyway, so that's pretty much the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye.